Good morning, everyone. Sorry I'm a little late with our week 3 recording. Had a little issue with some pink eye this week, so forgive me. But I wanted to touch base on a couple things. One being the questions that are coming in around the case presentations. Some really good questions, and actually Greg had a really good question. So he particularly does intake assessments or initial assessments at his agency and doesn't necessarily follow cases all the way through. So was concerned about how he would answer some of the questions. So my suggestion is, if you're only working on a portion of the case and you don't get to see the whole case, can you do a case review? Can you access the chart to see, like in his instance, he does the initial. Can you then access the chart to see what interventions have been tried or used, were they successful, and where the case is at now, kind of doing a summary that way. That was one suggestion. Also, the link to the conflict self-assessment has been repaired. So if you were having some problems with that, I have not gotten any reported issues, but apparently some other classes were having some problems with that. So if you were having an issue with it and it didn't work for you, try it again because it should be working now. And let me know if there is a continued issue, but they're telling me that link has been fixed. Also, this week is week 3, so we have about 2 more weeks before you start your presentations. So please don't hesitate, guys. If you have questions or concerns, definitely reach out to me. And happy week 3. I feel like it's flying by. I feel like, it's already going to be June, and before you know it, the summer's going to be over. So keep up the good work, and if you need me, I'm here. Reach out, all right? Thanks.